elevator at Daybusters. This is so cool. We're Jackie. Say hi. It's an Otis. Okay, we're gonna ride it. We're gonna ride this glass elevator. I hope it's coming. It's over. It's Brittany show. Oh, it's here, Bobby.
Okay.
Ready to go to the top?
Christian, let me see your shirt.
It's a glass one, Mom.
Oh, there's lots of people getting off.
It's a glass one, Mommy.
No way. It's a glass one.
It's a glass one. No way. We're gonna go up to the roof, Mommy. It's our ours.
Okay.
You ready, Mom?
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go. Going all the way to the top.
Going up.
Going up to the roof. Here's the top floor, baby.
Christian.
Oh, whoa.
Can't see anything out that glass
I was
elevator.
like, where's the view?
I see. Oh, there.
Here's the view.
Oh, here's the view.
Let's see Zobe. Oh, Zobe.
Go see what the view is.
Oh, look at this view. Jackie, you better come look.
Yeah. Where are we, Christian?
We're at Daybusters. Look at the top.
Look, there's Diamond Head. Wow.
Here's Diamond Head.
That's awesome.
There's Diamond Head.
I see ocean.
Look at all this.
Look at that. There's ocean over here.
Look at ocean.
Look at that. Awesome. Christian, let me see your shirt. Sorry, I wasn't listening. I was thinking about elevators. How old are you today, Christian? How old are you?
I'm 16. We're at the top.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.